Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner work. I want you guys to do the inner work. Do not give up on yourself. Make sure you're putting the right effort to be your best self, your best personality, your best spirit, your best energy. No one said it'd be easy, but it will be worth it, because where you're going, you cannot take the old self, that old undone work, into a new blessings, a new transformed place, a place of prosperity. You must be your highest self, your most efficient self, your best self. Someone is watching you and they're mimicking you. So we need you to be in top form, not only because you deserve these results, but you deserve to show everyone else things that are possible. And that's what channels your inner strength. And this is where you're being challenged to do at this point. God brings me ideal situations for inner healing and development, and turns into strength. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths. I direct my thoughts towards the light, and I see the positive side of every stage of life, because everything is building you to be able to become stronger. Not only to sustain and go through obstacles, but also to maintain and gather more blessings, from the shelter from the shed to the mansion, to the acres of land, to the mansion, to the beach, the beachfront house. Blessings come with weight, but as long as you continue to transform and be able to be stronger, you'll be able to maintain these blessings. The responsibilities to keep it and sustain it, rain, sleet, or snow, will be like light as a feather, not like a ball and chain. It won't feel like a responsibility. It'll feel as though just second nature, and you enjoy life, and life is not going to feel like a responsibility or a sentence of survival. No, it's about just living. I see every positive side of every stage of life. Darkness turns into courage, thus I become stronger. Continue to build on your strength. Be your best self, so you can maintain, and actually more blessings can be given to you, because Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ wants to load you up on blessings, but it can't give you something that you can't maintain, but you can maintain.